pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? How about your best friend, the skunk? Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Cry like a baby? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. Can you sing in the shower? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? How about your new laugh? Is it hysterical? Do happy birthday? Einstein, are we in trouble? What'd you do for a peanut? Good.